Action Coach has allowed me to have a better understanding of the business and where 418 is going. My name's Russ. I'm one of the directors at 418. We're a creative marketing agency. We started in 2001, both myself and business partner Doug Norman. We were kind of plodding on. We were doing well, we were doing okay. There was just no growth, which is why we wanted to get Action Coach involved. We actually met Kevin through a networking dinner through our accountants. Both Doug and myself, we were we were already in the zone of already having the conversation behind the scenes really of kind of, well, yeah, maybe we need to get Action Coach involved. We knew the value of coaching. So easy when you're a business owner to kind of not concentrate on what you should be doing and just get completely wrapped up in the business. And it's not all about that. It's about kind of controlling the finances, planning, organising your marketing and actually growing it rather than just doing the work. It's really how much you apply yourself as to how quick you see the results. And yeah, I think we started kind of seeing the benefit really quite quickly. Certainly from my part, it was really getting a march on being in control of the finances a lot more. Since starting with Action Coach, which has probably been over the last 2 years now, yeah, the team's doubled. It was just me and Doug. We've now got two employees. Originally it was just two of us, just both Doug and myself in the office, and yeah, here we are now with Joe and Emily with us as well. That frees both Doug and myself as the directors, if you like, to kind of concentrate more on getting more business in and developing the company, making more plans so that we can be working on the company rather than in it, and doing the day-to-day work. A lot of coaching isn't just really about the business, it's about you as well. On a personal level, I'm able to do go away on a few more holidays each year and just spend a bit more quality time with family and all those sort of things that matter. Without Action Coach, and Kevin in particular has kind of helped, we would have just stagnated, carried on, just plodding on, doing what we were doing day in, day out, thinking that we had a business, when really we didn't have a business, we were just working for ourselves. Now we're in the right location, we've got employees. Actually, 418 is a company. Well, you've got to do it, there's no two ways about it. A couple of friends of mine, well, one came in last week actually and said, oh, Kevin's been in touch, what do you think about all this Action Coach stuff, should we do it? And yeah, both me and Doug, we were almost like salesmen, salesmen for Action Coach. Joking aside, I mean, it's a bit of a no-brainer, to be honest. Yeah, you can be in business for no matter how long and think you know all the answers, but there's tried and tested ways of doing things and understanding how your business works that you won't necessarily get or gain yourself. You need a third party, and Action Coach have got the skills and the knowledge to be able to do that.